Hi guys, welcome back to Real Fresh Fishing. I am Captain Zach Freeman, owner and operator of Real Fresh Fishing. Today we have a forecast of like 20 to 25 mile an hour, east-northeast. You know, it's sloppy conditions for us. And what I want to do is show you what I would do on my charter today. When it's like this, I give my clients the opportunity to either cancel a trip in general, so you know you don't get beat up, I give your money back, it's all good, or we do what I call the windy day program. We stick to the shallows, catch a bunch of snapper and smaller grouper and potential yellow jacks, and just go bend the rock. So that's what we're gonna get into today. And as usual in the wintertime, we're gonna start with the bait program. We're gonna catch the bait first, hopefully. You probably can't see your hand in front of your face in the water right now, but we're gonna give it a shot. And we also have a friend so nice, he joins us twice with Bobby Boy back there. Bandit Bob is back. So we'll get to it. Fish.
Backing down.
Oh, ladyfish.
Ooh.
Went.
What's that?
Back up, I almost went off the boat. All right. Bobby.
I got a bag for you. Oh, a slug.
See if we can get a good release on it.
Yep. Well, that's pretty cool.
All right, guys, so we're tight on the hook here, tight on the anchor. First thing we do is put our chum in. We're gonna sit here 15, 20 minutes, drink of water, eat a sandwich, whatever. Let that chum work. Let it start to build up life here on the spot. Bring some other fish on the outskirts. Let it bring it up, bring all that life right behind the boat, and we'll start to get fishing here, like I said, 15, 20 minutes. All right, Bob, let's get started. Oh, we're going all live. Take yourself one out of there. Ready? Back there where I keep putting these live ones there. Basically just act like you're yellowtailing on it. What do we got there? Nice yellowtail. Not bad for 16, 17 feet of water there. Ah, a little mackerel.
Man, I almost just got ducks.
Can you make it in the bucket? There he is, Bob.
Finally joining the fun. Scale the lamb, skin side down on the grill with some butter.
Now I'm gonna see what's on the bottom.
You didn't waste any time, huh?
No. Not at all.
Lane.
That's a better lane snapper.
Yes, sir.
Champagne snapper. Lane snappers actually have the sharpest gill plate for the game. Oh. Good eat right there. Another lane.
Pretty one will be yellow.
Come on. Hey. What do we got? Nope, we got the Gravel.
There you go.
Come on, Yellowjack. Where are you?
Want that? I'll stay up just in case.
Alright, go ahead and fish. Another Gravel. Oh, there's full of Gravels right now. Hey!
swimming up or getting blown up? Swimming. Headed for the bow. You got an anchor inspector?
Yeah. Take a while to get another gravel.
A little short, but another pretty one. A little short.
Don't worry, Bobby, I'll keep the gravel today for you. When the gravels are at bay, Bobby will play. Oh, they keep getting bigger. You want the net there, Bob?
I'll flip this so I don't want to hit the sinker on the boat.
Yeah. Bob prides himself on being able to catch the biggest jacks.
Any flavor.
Any flavor.
Amber, yellow, Ravel.
I mean, as soon as it... What makes it even tougher is the 2.5 knots of current we got.
I know.
Things get sideways in the current. And I'll just show off about how quick the bite was up there.
That was a handshake. Dang.
Oh, I don't know what I hooked here.
Nothing like teamwork. You have a brown one, maybe?
I'm hoping so. I doubt it. I think it's a lemon shark or something.
Everything
No, it's
knows
coming
about.
up. I haven't gotten color confirmation yet, but he's up.
Yeah, I'm staying up. You want me to get the camera pointing towards you?
There he went. Jackie Robinson action?
Jackie Robinson. Oh yeah. Show your move right on the platform.
Next thing you know, you'll be missing fish like me.
Oh, let's get it out. I don't want that now. It's been fun. See you later.
Learn enough.
Got one for yourself?
We're gonna find out.
Open your mouth.
The luck we wanted.
I hope so.
He's swimming up to the surface. I think it may be a jack. Just on some PEDs. Yeah.
Have a good time.
It's
You
the-
might have the new biggest one of the day.
Yeah,
You can get him.
I got the biggest one of the day. I'm considering this a catch.
Okay.
Let me get that landing net.
Yep.
There you go. See if I can multitask here.
Want me to come over?
Yeah, he's not ready yet. He's not ready.
Yeah, it's a good thing they built you with long arms, huh?
I kept on reaching and I wasn't paying attention. I was pushing the rod further away from me too.
Well, here we are.
Yes, sir.
Stock out.
Well, we got plenty enough to eat.
Oh,
Plenty enough to eat. Caught a couple fish that, bend the rod. All in all, good day. Wasn't really the best 20-day program that I've had, but still good enough to get the job done.
had a blast.
Yeah, man.
Them jacks go like that.
Oh, not to make the lower back just a little bit sore, not too bad.
Had a couple of muffins.
Yeah.
They always put a smile on my face.
Thank you guys for watching this week's episode. If you haven't yet, like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Put out content every Wednesday at 6. And until next time, thank you all.